So what we want to do here is we want to start at -1 and go consecutively by integers up to 6. And we add these up. So we go -1 times sine of -1 pi over 2, or negative pi over 2, and plus, I'll just start up here. So 0 ends up being 0. I'm going to pause the video and write these all down. Okay, there we have it. So doing this, so negative times sine of negative pi over 2. So negative pi over 2 is down the unit circle. It's actually equal to -1, but then we're multiplying by -1, so it ends up canceling that out. So it becomes 1. 0. Okay, sine of 0 pi over 2, or 0. Well, that's 0 times 0 is 0. So plus 0. And then this here, pi over 2 is equal to 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Plus sine of pi, or this ends up 2's cancel out, so it's sine of pi. Sine of pi is 0, so 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 3 times the sine of 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2 is -1 times 3 is -3. Plus 4 pi over 2, this ends up being 2 pi. Well, that's equal to 0. And then times 4, well, that's 0. Plus 5 times 5 pi over 3. This is coterminal to pi over 2, which is equal to 1 times 5. We get 5. Plus sine of 6 pi over 2 is equal the same thing as just pi. Well, it becomes 3 pi. It's just equal to pi. And coterminal to pi anyway. And the sine of pi is 0 times 6. 0 times 6 is 0. So if we add these up cumulatively, what we ultimately end up with is 4. And that's it. All right. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.